Freelancers often wonder if the fees charged by platforms like Upwork are tax deductible. The good news is, yes, they typically are. If you're working as a freelancer, those pesky fees Upwork deducts from your earnings can actually work in your favor when tax season rolls around. By the way, visit us on our website for more about business, entrepreneurship, making money, investing, law, and other topics. See the link in the description box below. Think of it this way. Those fees are just another cost of doing business, much like buying supplies or paying for a software subscription. The IRS, or your country's tax authority, generally sees them as necessary expenses for running your freelance operation. By keeping detailed records of every fee charged by Upwork, whether it's the service fee deducted from each payment or any additional costs like payment processing fees, you can deduct these amounts from your taxable income. When it comes time to file your taxes, these expenses should be included in the business expenses section of your tax return. For freelancers in the United States, this usually means filling out Schedule C, Form 1040. If you're in another country, you'll need to check the equivalent form used there. Keeping track of these deductions can significantly reduce your overall tax bill, which is always a plus. However, navigating tax laws can be tricky, and they can vary widely depending on where you live. This is where a tax professional comes in handy. By consulting with one, you can ensure you're deducting your expenses correctly and making the most of all available tax benefits. They can help you navigate the complexities and make sure you're not leaving money on the table. So next time you see that Upwork fee deduction, remember, it's not just money lost, it's a potential tax-saving opportunity. Keep good records, include those fees in your tax return, and consider getting professional advice to make the most out of your freelance business. It might just make tax season a little less daunting and a bit more rewarding. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.